Welcome to Millennial Solar Channel. This video is the standard operating procedure for Contact Resistance Tester. Ensure power cable, Ethernet cable, and USB serial printer cable are connected. Open the TLM tester software on the desktop. Click Homing on the interface. The probe will return to the default position, and initialization complete will be displayed. Click Config. Click New to configure settings for contact resistance, line resistance, and robotic arm. Under the contact resistance configuration interface, enter the sample name. The sample name sequence corresponds to the respective channel. Name the sample in the correct sequence based on actual testing. In finger setting, enter the sample strip width based on the actual sample. For grid line pitch, refer to the spacing bar. Note, the tested number of test lines is 8. Subsequent inputs must be multiples of 8. Probe settings, TLM probe groups, fixed at 8 groups. Minimum regression coefficient, 0.998. In the robotic arm configuration interface, enter parameters for the zeolite weighting position and pressing position. Manually press the mechanism to find the appropriate pressing depth. Then enter it in Z position Y under line Z parameters. After configuring the parameters, click Save then OK to complete saving. Saved files can be found in the Read drop-down menu. Connect the contact resistance plug to the device. Place the solar cell sample strip on the sample stage, aligning it with the corresponding pre-configured channel. In the software interface, under Workbench status, select the corresponding pre-configured channel. Under Test Operation, choose Contact Resistance Test as the mode. Click Start Test. A camera intelligent positioning window will appear. Click on the grid line to be tested, then click Yes. The instrument will test automatically and display data in real time. To query data, select the time period in test records. Select Data to export, click Export, and choose the save path and name. Replace the contact resistance probe with a wire resistance probe. Enter the cross-sectional area value of the actual sample and configure finger settings in sequence. For the number of test lines, minimum 1 line, which can be increased as needed, but must not exceed the maximum number of lines on the solar cell sample strip. Probe settings, probe spacing, fixed at 2.0 mm. Line resistance probe groups, fixed at 1 group. After configuring parameters, click Save, then OK to complete saving. Saved files are accessible via the Read drop-down menu. In the Workbench status section of the software interface, select the corresponding pre-configured channel. Under Test Operation, select Line Resistance Test as the mode. Click the Start Test button. A camera intelligent positioning window will pop up. Select the grid line to be tested. Click Yes, and the instrument will run automatic testing while displaying real-time test data. To query data, select the time period in test records. Select Data to export, click Export, and choose the save path and name.